In this video, I'm going to teach you how to open a Facebook business account. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it.
To begin, open your preferred web browser and navigate to facebook.com. Once the website loads, you will be presented with the Facebook homepage. Here, look for the option to log in, click on the login button to proceed. This action allows you access to your personal account and paves the way for transitioning to your business presence. After you have successfully logged into your account, direct your attention to your profile. Clicking on your profile will take you to a section where personal settings and account information are clearly displayed. In this section, you should look for the page that represents your business. If you manage more than one, be sure to choose the correct one, as this selection will determine the settings that follow in the setup process. Once the appropriate page is selected, you will see an option for the Meta Business Suite. This suite is designed to help you manage multiple aspects of your business on Facebook from one centralized dashboard. Click on the Meta Business Suite to move forward. The Business Suite offers a range of tools to help organize posts, analyze performance, and manage advertising, all essential for maintaining a robust business presence online. Within the Meta Business Suite, find and click on the Settings option. The Settings area is crucial because it provides you with control over the many configurations that tailor your business account to your needs. Pay particular attention to the top left corner of the screen where you will notice a drop-down icon. Click on this icon to reveal further options that are essential for establishing your business portfolio. Once the drop-down menu appears, you will notice an option labeled Create a Business Portfolio. Selecting this option will begin the process of building your professional profile on Facebook. At this point, you will be prompted to enter your business details, so be sure to have your information ready. Accuracy is important, so input the correct business name, address, contact details, and any other relevant information in the designated fields. After carefully entering all of your details, your next step is to finalize the process. You do this by clicking the Create button. Clicking Create signals to Facebook that you have completed all necessary steps to establish your business portfolio. Facebook will then process your information, and your business account will be set up accordingly. Once this setup is complete, you will have access to a range of tools offered by the Meta Business Suite, making it easier to keep up with business management tasks. Following these clear and concise steps will allow you to transition from a personal Facebook account to a dedicated business account efficiently. This 5-minute process is designed to be straightforward and user-friendly, ensuring that you can quickly establish a professional presence on Facebook. Enjoy the benefits of a robust online business portfolio and the integrated management features available through Facebook's Meta Business Suite.